Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take better photos on REALME P3. Okay, so let's launch the camera app and let's begin with the live photo. But if you want to take the better photos, make sure that live photo mode is enabled. Sometimes in some of the phones it's hidden, but in here it's on the top of the bar, so I suggest you should turn it off. Also, make sure that in the settings right in here you have the HDR mode enabled for better quality. Next thing is using the Pro mode, which allows us to change the ISO level, shutter speed, EV, focus, and the white balance. EV is the exposure. So if you're a kind of person who really likes to, adjust almost everything before taking a photo, to adjust all of those settings, this mode is completely for you, because you can change the ISO, for example, to change the light. Same thing with the shutter speed, with the focus. Oh, actually it's now so bright. Same thing with the focus level and the white balance. But I'll leave it to you to play with all those options. You just need to know that you have the possibility to change them, and they are really, really useful. You can also click on the information button and read about each option right in here, what each option does. Okay, now let's close this mode up. Now, let's open up these settings. Let me only turn off the tap to capture. Okay. Now, another cool thing is manually catching the focus. To do it, simply tap on the screen and on the selected area where you have tapped with your finger, the camera will lock its focus. Also, when you slide down, you can manually change the exposure level. Just like that. You can also lock it in when you click on that lock button. So now we have the locked focus, same thing with the exposure, and we can start taking photos. As we open up the settings, not the formats, but also not that. Okay, actually it's not in here. Another cool thing is zooming with your feet. Because basically when you are using the high digital zoom, the quality of the photo is worse. So when you have a chance, move closer to the object that you want to take a photo of. Simply walk a little bit and take a photo with the smaller zoom level. Thanks to that, you will have a better quality of the photo. Also, you need to remember that you should take the photos with a good when there's a good lighting around you. Thanks to that, you will have also the best quality possible. Same thing with the high resolution mode, which provides us with the best camera settings. We have the 50 megapixels mode in here, but remember that if you want to use this mode, you cannot zoom. So, just like I was talking before, you should zoom with your feet and move closer to the object to take a photo with the best quality. When it comes to the video, in here you need to remember that you can change the resolution of your video. For the best quality, select the 4K. In here we have the 30 FPS, or if you want to have high amount of the FPS, select 1080p to get 60 FPS. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.